5 soap making mistakes beginners make. Number 1. Using the wrong type of soap. You want to use a mild soap like Castile soap or baby soap. A lot of beginners make the mistake of using a bar of soap that's too soft. It'll end up melting all over your hands and it'll be a complete mess. Number 2. Not letting the soap cool down before cutting it. If you cut into the soap too soon, it will crack and break apart. You need to let it cool down completely before you cut it into bars. 3. Using a dull knife. A dull knife will cause the soap to stick to your blade and crumble apart. You want to use a sharp knife or even a new razor blade to cut your soap. 4. Adding too much or too little water. The amount of water you use in your soap making process is crucial. Too much water and your soap will be runny and never harden. Too little water and your soap will be really hard and crack. 5. Not using a mold. A mold is essential when making soap. It gives your soap a shape and allows you to cut it into bars. You can use a silicone mold or a plastic mold. Don't use a metal mold. Check out the full video for more soap making tips.